right. And all right. Oh, which mic are you guys hearing me out of? Let's switch that to
headset mic. There we go. The first bit of the morning here. Oh, I keep forgetting to set my screensaver. I better set that now, so don't forget again. Okay, there we go. Alrighty, you guys. Good morning. I guess more of you'll be coming in as we get closer to the market open. So, looking at the stock market chameleon, we've got well, there's one at the top of the list, Raven, but it's a buyout, so that one's not in play. Buyouts just get pegged to the buyout price. MNOV, Medicinova. It was at 3.8 on Friday, hit like 6 this morning. It's pulled back to about 522, so it's up about 50%. The news is on 5 million shares now. The news is it climbs on positive data in mid-stage alcohol use disorder study. Wow. Maybe they're trying to create a pill that'll stop you from being an alcoholic or something. Boy, that would make some money, huh? Damn. There's a moonshot for you. Anyway, today that one is trading 5 million shares so far in the open, about 40% up. Might even get up 50%. Your dad needs to get that pill. That'll be up to him and his doctor. Thanks so much for us. That's hilarious. AEI is another one I'd like to look at this morning. Good morning, everybody. What are your top cryptocurrencies? Have they changed the past couple weeks? What are your top cryptocurrencies? Have they changed in the past couple weeks? There has been some pole position changes. Yes, there has been. But I think overall, these are the greatest buying opportunities coming right now. Bitcoin 30,000, Bitcoin 25,000, and Bitcoin 20,000. It's not going to go in that order, by the way. It's going to maybe hit 30,000 today and then either bounce and then we'll come back to 30,000 in a month, or it's going to go to 30,000 and crack and break down and we'll get to 25,000 and then it will bounce and then we'll get back to that level in about a month. And then, after it's done the 30 to 25,000 thing, and a month or two has gone by, or 3, we'll be at 20,000. I think that's when the bear market bottoms, Bitcoin 20,000 in a couple of months. So these are great buying opportunities. Understand that the crypto market is bearish. What does that mean? What does it mean that the crypto market is bearish? It means that whatever you buy is going to go down. The market's going down, and it's going to stay that way for probably about 3 to 6 months minimum. So what you want to do is not be thinking, how can I make money in the next 3 to 6 months on these, except you can with like little bounces, but more like, how can I buy these dips? Because in 8 months, I like to be sitting on 100 to 1,000% gains on some cryptos. Yeah, I put Torch back up. Yeah, it looks pretty good. It's at 8.9 and closed on Friday at 6.2. Excuse me. It's 12 million of volume. And why is it hot in particular this morning? It says update on proposed business combination timing and payment date for preferred stock dividend. So it's about that giving back like half the company to everybody, which, wow, talk about desperate. I mean, you ever wanted to know what a like a boiler room stock looks like? That'd be Torch. So yeah, over in crypto land, let's just talk about that one more time. So so Bitcoin right now just broke through 32,000 and it's at 31,900. It's almost positive. It's about a 90% chance that it's going to touch down at 30,000. Could be 30,100, whatever. 30,000 roughly. And when it does, two things will happen. That'll be the lowest it goes, and it bounces from there for a week or two or three or four. So that's a good spot to pick up some trades. Or it cracks down and it breaks down. And today or tomorrow or this week, we see Bitcoin hit 25,000. So you just need to know how to trade. You got to understand how to trade in order to trade that. So when it gets close to 30,000, you buy with the intention of holding. And then if it breaks, you sell with the knowledge that it's going to go to 25. And I'm not talking about Bitcoin. I'm talking about your crypto, whatever crypto you want. Want to get into whatever crypto you want when Bitcoin hits. Obviously, not necessarily Bitcoin, but you probably do want to get some Bitcoin down there. All right. So some of my best cryptos are Matic, Sol, Cardano, BNB, VeChain, Theta, Polkadot, XRP, Ethereum, Doge, Link, and Bitcoin. It's got to be better than Bitcoin, you know. It's got to make the list. It's got to be better than Bitcoin relative strength wise in order to make the AMC is up to 60, hit 62.5 in pre-market, so it is up. All right, let me refresh the market chameleon and see if we got something new on our radar. But really, the number to break is 65 on AMC. So until AMC breaks 65, it's kind of like can't break 65 kind of thing. Like, why get into AMC to go to 70 if it can't break 65? 65 is the key level. Yeah, Doge is up there, but it's not super high on the list. It's above Bitcoin, though. Yeah, surprising to me too, David. Yep. I don't I don't make these things. I don't set these lists. These are based on math and relative strength and my fine judgment. I don't what do you call it? Discriminate. If Doge shows me that it wants to be number 7 on my top 10 list, then that's where it sits. Pretty surprising. Yeah, well, when Bitcoin hits 30,000, you could buy some more. Just remember to sell if Bitcoin breaks down. All right, and so we got Medicinova, that one's up there. We got Torch, AEI. Looks like it's been moving while we've been talking. AEI. Oh, that's a very nice gusher. It was closed at 4.8 on Friday and hit 8.27 just a little bit ago and is now at 7.5. So AEI actually could provide a very good momentum trade for us today. It could be all day runner. Who knows? We'll see. The news is that it will deliver the first 20 e-homes with Tesla PV solar panels, power walls, and EV chargers in the Houston area. So I guess it's just a small little public company. What's the market cap? 41 million. And they're making significant money making revenue making updates to their companies. So that's how companies double, just like coins. Uh, if AEI continues grow, open value looks like it's done pretty goddamn bad in the past. So don't put your hopes into it. Today we'll just be trading it. We'll just be day trading it. Has the potential to go to 8.5 and 10. Those are two spots where around 10 it gets a bunch of bag holders. How do I find out all the news that can affect the stocks? Well, it's a very lengthy process. Guys over on TikTok, click the link in my bio to come join our trading group, and you can trade with us this morning. And just pick up a 7-day pass, and you can a free pass, 7-day free pass, and you can start trading with us this morning in 19 minutes when this TikTok is over. So yeah, and then if you happen to do that, what is it, crazy, bruh? If you do that, click the link in my bio and come on in and join our trading group. Then ask me that same question in the Zoom, in the live Zoom that we're in right now, and we'll talk about it about 30 minutes to 1 hour after the open. All right, so after all those, we've got ENOB again on about 1 million of volume. So I'll pull that up. I think ENOB just bled out red on Friday. It wasn't very good. And it's doing that again. 5.8, it closed out on Friday, and it hit 7.4 in pre-market. Let's see where that puts it on the daily chart. Oh, yeah, just forget it. ENOB's just a dead cat bounce right now, but very dangerous, moving back into bag holder territory. AMC's right here. There it is. That more over there. So again, over in crypto land, Bitcoin is at 32,200 at the moment. It had just dipped below 32,000 to 31,900. When Bitcoin hits 30,000, that's 90% likelihood today or the next day or two. We got to watch to see if it'll bounce. Bounce or break down. Bounce or break down. Marcus, you got to just click the link in my bio. And then over in the Discord, you want to go to start a free trial, I think is where it is. Jake or Elliot, if you're watching, can you go into the public chat room and give people an idea where they can get a 7-day pass? There now. I'm typing something as well. I'll put something in there. Okay, I put something in there. I think you can't miss it. It's uploading. Yeah. All right. Can't miss it now. Okay, Journey with 10 kids. You need to ask Jacob or Elliot, the admins of the group, why you didn't get that notification, because it went out twice. So for some reason, if you didn't get that notification, it could be your settings or something. All right, so let's see what SPY's doing in the market. All right, so the market just basically has gone back up to where we were at on Friday this morning. Trying not to let people get the opportunity to buy at the low of Friday. It went even slightly lower in after hours on Friday. But we'll see. We'll see if today's one heck of a rebound day, a very green day, or if we're going to retest the low. I think that probably we're going to retest the low. Just thinking about how institutionals are going to play this, and I think they wouldn't have been selling off on Friday out of tech if they didn't think it was time. So apparently they think it's time. I think you guys should brace for another red day, and don't be fooled by first 2 hours of green. That's the oldest trick in the book. LDL, why did it went up so high? Nikki, LDL, why? When? This morning or let me see, LDL. Not seeing. It's at 61 pre-market. Oh my lord. Let me refresh. Why is that not on my radar here? Oh, because let me see. Maybe it is now. No, it's not. Why is that not up on my radar? That's really strange. Strange. All right. Pre-market, it's like double up here. Let's see. Oh, that's a buyout. That's a buyout, Nikki. Like I didn't even check the news, but you can tell by how it looks. Anytime you see something up and it just stays there, that's a buyout. All right, Nikki? If it just goes up and just stays at that level, that's a buyout. That's how you can see those visually. Okay, so let's see. ENOB, Evexel, AEI, Torch, MNOV, Medicinov, ENOB, and EARS is up 11%. Okay, no big deal. All right, we've got 13 minutes to the market open. You guys, if you want to trade with us this morning, in 13 minutes, we'll be starting the live trading, and this TikTok will be over. You need to click the link in my bio, come join the trading group, and pick up the 7-day all access pass for free. All right, now I'm going to be sorted by market cap, and we'll go down and see if anything big is popping big. AMC up 4.8%. We've got that on radar. EVAC up 3.3%. I'll keep it up in case it does something. In case it breaks out. Wish is up 5.4%. Wish. That on the radar, but we're already in Wish. We're in the Wish swing trade. That's looking good. If Wish breaks 12.5, 12.75 around there, that would be a bit of that'll create some momentum. That could create a momentum breakout. Merst, if you can't get to the Discord, it may be because I don't know why you can't get to the Discord. That's supposed to work, but some people can be banned from Discords. What's the recommended stock to buy today? Well, we don't know what to buy yet, but we're going to be looking at if something gives a signal to buy. And so right now that's MNOV and AEI and Torch, TRCH. And we're also looking at ENOB, GameStop, AMC, Wish, and CVAC. Click the link in my bio, and you can join our trading group today. We'll be live trading the markets in 11 minutes and 30 seconds. That's when we're shutting off the TikTok stream. All right, and still moving down the big cap list. We're at 7 billion caps. We've got jobs up 4.5%. Okay, that looks rather nice. Low volume though, 42,000 volume, so it's not too hype. Enters into a definitive agreement for going private transaction. Okay, that's similar to a buyout. So we're getting rid of that. Need jobs. And moving down the list, 2.7 billion. All right. Sorry. Now moving down. B-Fly up 2.7%. What is this B-Fly? And that's really not a lot, 2.7%. Let me take a look at that chart though. Oh, wow. B-Fly was up a lot. Oh, it's the Iron Butterfly Index. What? I've never even heard of that. The Iron Butterfly Index. No way. I am going to look that up. Have you guys heard of this one? Whoa. From the CBOE, S&P 500. Okay, what is this? This is crazy. I butterfly. Oh, maybe that's not what. Hold on. That might not be what this actually is. No, that is it, I think. No. But that's cool that you can find the Iron Butterfly Index. Okay, I found the actual Butterfly Network one that we were looking at here. B-Fly Iron Option Strategy Benchmarks. Gosh, that's crazy. That's so cool. All right, Enzo, whatever it is, ENZC. Holding hope to regain. All right, yeah, Bitcoin chart. It's not really needed, but here's the thing. So let's talk about Bitcoin for a second, and crypto. Crypto is at 32,500. Bitcoin's at 32,500. So a few minutes ago, it broke 32,000 to hit 31,900. But the key level to remember is 30,000. Somewhere here today, maybe tomorrow, we're gonna touch 30,000. At that point, it's gonna bounce. Hopefully, we hope that it'll bounce. Bitcoin will bounce at 30,000, and but if it breaks down below 30,000, it's easily dropping to 25,000. And so, how do you trade that? So at 30,000, right around there, that's where you want to. I mean, if that becomes a bounce, that's where you want to buy your favorite crypto. But you got to be watching it. If it breaks down, then you got to sell real quick. Sell your crypto for whatever. Swap it to Tether USD or whatever you BNB, whatever you want to keep it in, and then buy again when it hits 25,000. At 25,000, we'll have a bounce for sure. And at 25,000, that bounce that could last a month or two from there, retracing all the way back up in Bitcoin. Yeah, definitely, Nicholas. But it really doesn't matter, man. Like, you got to pay attention to the now, right? I mean, things change. We might be saying Bitcoin 100,000 again in a month. Who knows? You just never know. So anyway, when Bitcoin hits 30,000, we're not talking about Bitcoin. I mean, you might want to get some Bitcoin, but the point is, Bitcoin's like the S&P 500 of crypto. So it's the leading indicator. So when Bitcoin hits 30,000, we want to see if it bounces, and you want to buy your favorite crypto down there at the 30,000 level, and then if it breaks down, sell it really quick. So you want to get in. It's really nice low risk moment at 30,000 for the bounce. If you get in at 30,000 into all your favorite crypto, and then Bitcoin's likely from there to go back and test 42,000. So 30,000 to 42,000, you're going to see like things like Matic go from like which currently $1.20. It'll probably hit $1 if Bitcoin hits 30,000. You'll see Matic go from like $1 to like 250. Do you understand how much money you can make off of that? That's insane. That's 150% gains in like a week. So you want to go after like BitTorrent coin and BTT and all the ones that got corrected heavily for the 30,000 bounce. But here's the danger: you put your money into the market at that moment, and it's hot. Like your money's hot. It's ready. It can be just taken and destroyed, right? So you have to watch Bitcoin at that 30,000 level. If it touches that 30,000 level and then breaks down, you need to be ready. Like, you have to have a plan before you get in. You need to have a plan to get out. Like, what are you going to do to get out? Are you going to be like swapping coins? Are you going to be uh, going on exchanges? Are you like, you need to have a nice, robust plan so that you don't get trapped in liquidity problems. And you got to think ahead. Think ahead. What are you going to do to protect yourself in case it does break down at 30,000? If it does, you want to snap out. You want to get out. Certainly if it hits 29,000, it has done it. It broke 30,000. It's now 29. Like, if it hits 29,000, it's done it. So if that's not an obvious enough signal for you, you want to have been out before 29,000. And then it should bounce at 25,000. So once it hits 25,000, then it will bounce. It tested 30 not long ago. Don't you think it might break below this time? Right. That's what I'm literally talking about, Emmanuel. And so if it breaks down, the next stop is 25,000. And there it will bounce at 25,000. So once it does bounce at 25,000, the question then is, will it get trapped at 30 on the way back up, or will it get back into that range where it can get up to 42,000? So anyway, the real watch is like right now, today, will Bitcoin hit 30,000 in the next, uh, couple hours? Keep an eye on it. Be ready to buy at 30,000, and then watch it. We want to know, is it going to bounce or is it going to break down? You don't know. If it's going to break down, get out real quick. If it's going to bounce, man, that's a great trade. So you'll then have cryptos at the lowest low it's been in a long time. And when Bitcoin goes up to 42,000, some of those cryptos are going to more than double. And you got to sell, because you understand crypto's in a bearish market. Does everybody understand what that means? when something's in a bearish market, which way is shit going? Down, right? So how the heck are you going to make money on something going up if it's going down in a moment like this, where you'll get a little bounce and then it goes up? And then if the market's going down, what happens to things that go up after a while? They go down. So that means you have to sell later. Like, diamond hand's not going to work with this particular trade unless you diamond hand it until 3 years from now. But you're going to make a lot of quick money if you go in here for a 1 week or a 3 week trade at Bitcoin 30,000. Yeah. So anyway, we're going to be trading the market in about a minute and 40 seconds. Everybody on TikTok, make sure you click the link in my bio, come into my trading group, and then we'll start trading the markets live in 1 minute and 30 seconds. Just grab the 7-day pass in there, the free 7-day pass, and you can start trading with us in 1 minute. So see you soon. We'll be cutting off this TikTok in just a second here. We are trading MNOV, AEI, AMC, GME, TRCH, ENOB, ENOB, Wish, and CVAC is up on our radar as well, but mostly those names. All right, we have a minute to the open. Everybody on TikTok, make sure you click the link in my bio. Nice. See you in the group. Make sure you click the link in my bio and grab that all 7-day pass, free 7-day pass, and then I'll see you in the Zoom right now. MNOV entry and risk. The risk is entry's at 6 and the risk is to 4.9, $10. Right, here we go. Two DL Discord, what's up? You had two Oh, you had to download Discord. Gotcha. Ah, that's what it was. All right, cool. All right, let's see what's moving here. All right, MNOV is on the move. Not a ton of volume from MNOV. That might not be where the momentum is at right now. It seems to be AMC. AMC moving up to 62.75 will be a breakout. 62.75. We've got to wait for it. All right, one last time, everybody over on TikTok, make sure you click the link in my bio and come get a free 7-day pass to my trading group. We're in there live trading right now. Have a good one. And I'm watching Bitcoin too out of the corner of my eye. So AMC crashing down. We've got Torch possibly moving to the breakout level of 10.2. Remember to add a penny to all those. GME and AMC totally pulling back. The market's just sideways, but the momentum stocks are really crapping out. We've got Torch moving to 10.2. If Torch hits 10.2, that'll be entry. I'm actually going to take AMC off now because it's fully crapping out. Torch is where the bullish energy is at. AVXL, yeah, I saw that on the list a little bit there. Is it moving now? Let's see. If you guys see something, you guys are, we're a group, we're a hive. If you guys see something, let me know. I can pull it up. We'll check it out. Because right now, we're waiting for Torch to break 10.2, and the others have looks like they've failed to give us to go near signal land, and they're crapping out. ENOB is like bleeding red. MNOV bleeding red.